Hello for today. I just started recording at 9 o'clock in the evening. Proverbs and how it started. कहावतें, मुहावरे, उसके पीछे की कहानी कितनी सच्ची है, उससे क्या रिलेशन है, आज भी हमारा टीचिंग क्या है. संतों की वाणी, उससे क्या सीख है, उसके पीछे की कहानियां, सच्चाइयां, कितना उन्होंने प्रकृति के बारे में बता करके, जीवों के बारे में देखकर, उनसे वाणियां, संगीत, दोहे, एक्चुअली कुकिंग कर रही हूँ ना, तो ऑनियन लग रहा है. केमिकल ना, मेरे ख्याल से वो लोग ने फॉस्फरस बताया है, तो आंखों में लगता है. और मेरा फ्लो तो वो टोटली नेचर, नेचुरल. और उनसे हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा है, समझा है, पहले लोगों ने क्या सीखा है, बड़े बड़े संत महात्माओं ने क्या सीखा है और हम लोगों को सिखाया है. उसके बाद जब इन लोगों का एक लिमिट आ गया, जब वो दोहे, वो संगीत जब लोगों के बीच में प्रचलित होना बंद हो गया, so it's good that we started learning that we have to research for and know the nature. The nature holds. The beauty it has. The danger it holds. So inside study we are doing on earth about the nature of our surrounding and the nature inside us. Human and human natural resources surroundings. Human in the nature and the nature outside the human. So many attachments to humans, that we had received so many messages from God through all the positive way we could get, positive way, so much refined कि हम उसे सीखें और काबिल बने, आगे बढ़े. Just observing the nature, your nature and that nature. How the growth is happening. The growth is constant. Why nobody has the holding behind the growth? This growth. What growths can be holded by the power? What growths human can hold? That is progress, somebody's progress, somebody's anger, somebody's reach to and fro. Is there anything human has other than speaking about God, speaking about the nature, speaking about human itself, human nature, human behavior, human organs, human system, human working, human cycle? Is there anything can humans speak about other than this? Can human discuss about the growth? Who is growing them? Physically, mentally, in the action they do, which may have the movement of motion to reach the line of success. Though till the goal, though failure, how much failure is a success for him? What is the growth in that failure? What is the growth in failure? How much we can make the person understand at that time that your failure is your success for someone, but growth for you. Kids are इस वक्त सब बच्चे खेलते रहते हैं. How much surrounding is required? Even though what I speak, how much I enjoy my surrounding in presence of the sound I can bear. Just because few kids are playing, I can bear. But if I'm talking about certain urgency, a situation, discussing about something which I know right now I may forget later, how much disturbance I can take from the intellectual grown-up people. Can they play merry-go-round? What is the failure? But what is the growth? It's so easy to imagine. I have seen females playing Poo by Poo, Garba, happily. But not the men so much. I have not seen. Certain region I won't say ignore. Everybody knows it. But is the point that how much we can be there? Eh, hello re. Daya of Tarak Mehta. Means whenever you are happy, you are playing Garba. Garba is just a gesture. That my flow which is coming from inside, where I should, in what way. So it was an invention that if you have certain mudra, a certain action at certain age, nobody should say that you're playing, but you are playing. So this was invented as Garba, that how music holds you. If you can just imagine the region, the Parda system, the woman had to go through. Still, but why should I play only when I'm child, when I'm innocent, when I'm not that conscious and only ignorant? Then only I can play. But with the maturity, with the length of my height, with the intellectual I hold, the body I sustain, the parda has to be followed, because the curves decide the body you hold. But why I cannot play? You are also the same. I am also the same. But I want to play like how they play. Okay, let's start something innovative, where I have to invent, interrupt, but not the transmission, in the way that the flow should go on, and you have your happiness in such a way that you can blame me. And if they take it in the name of miracle, then go ahead and show this invention. This is the miracle. You can be part of this ritual or make it a ritual. Something has to be done so that you also come out. The energy you hold, the enthusiasm you want to play out on the ground in front of others. Even if sun is not overhead on you, no boundaries can hold you. Come out in my name. I am giving you the right, because I am there with you. Tell them, the body I have, the body she has, she is superior to me. She holds the power. She can show the miracle. And I have all the approvals from her. If you want to ask, go and ask her. Then the people came. How did you give the right to the woman to come out at so much of darkness? We are protector of her. The her is for a certain body having curves. It is not you. I tell you that you are protecting her. Even her, that is me, isn't protected by the Supreme. If He has given me the right to give protection without seeing the body, then I have the right that I see no gender. And if the gender are against each other, I hold the right of protection that they don't go against each other. Spread the happiness in the name of Supreme. that if He has made us to be free under one sky, He can take away all the powers, all the genders, all the humanity, all the bodies you hold in your head. This is not the power. The power He has and you don't have. The person protecting a woman is much powerful and great in the eyes of Lord. If He is supreme, He has not made any laws, but you are forcing to make laws. Be supreme in thinking. If you have any problem, follow Him, understand Him, what He has said. Otherwise, there is no and nothing. Everything will be shunya, and there is no nothing. Every knowledge is there in nothing also, can be explained in nothing also. If you feel the woman is house, woman is the house, can this statement be forwarded? Woman is the house. What was that sign? Okay, the whistle. The woman in the house is nothing, but even thinking nothing, she has so much of power. A zero adds so much value in a number. Everything is explained, and no human can state that they have no knowledge about nothing. Nothing is above zero. Understand. Very soon we all will learn what is nothing. More than the zero, above than the zero, and it holds. And if we feel woman is nothing, then understand nothing is above zero. If the nothing keeps on adding itself next to a number, it becomes everything. There is no above the woman of your house. Understand? I think I will have to pause. It's already 19 minutes, 20 minutes. Simplicity holds. Very valuable thing inside. Simple doesn't means nothing. Means something which doesn't holds. But simple means that it holds so much. It's very simple. Even when you see it, it has so much inside treasure. If you see, you won't feel it is simple. अरे इसको तो दूसरे कैटेगरी में होना चाहिए. That is what's simple about. Beyond the dictionary meaning, the word itself, it's so delicate. Delicate is not something which is lighter and is nothing above the ground. Delicate means it's something which is higher and can move in the sky, can fly in the sky. It's so heavy. Delicate is actually very heavy, which can be explained very easily. It's something which is delicate can easily move around with just a blow of air towards it. The way it moves in the air freely shows I am simple, delicate, but the heavier things are, which is not delicate, you won't get the attention. You have to stay in a place. Not everybody will want to hold you because of your weight, and everybody will want you to be at one place only. It matches with human behavior also. If we think so, I got a beep and a whistle. Something is stuck. What is stuck? What are behavior, action? Even while eating, I am getting some knowledge. If something is stuck in front of the video, me getting stuck because of my certain action, how this will look in public, why I cannot be so simple, does this action I cannot do in public? Who is deciding this? The behavior is deciding it. And what should be my behavior in front of camera, others are deciding it. What will be the tag here? The name of this header is the name of this header. There is a place for the name of this header. Whatever fumble you make is not, there is a code behind it. Understand? The name of this fumble is, header is which cannot be done on the live video. I want the name. There is not name for everything. There are numbers also. So this falls under we human know. But if there is some error in our speech, that is also a category. There is a name to it. Not here, the other name. What is the header behind it? What is under the technical error? What is the name? Even if we are making mistake, it is the part of our pattern. Then we correct it. Because our brain said, correct. This is not correct. The flow should go in the grammatical way. Other than grammar, which human have made, if I am speaking something which is non-grammatical form, fumbling, is a fumble, error, that is a glitch by the brain. A glitch by the brain. Why our brain made a glitch? How much pressure it has? What it lost, but has the control on the sound. See our brain. See the power of our brain. शब्द आने चाहिए, सही गलत कुछ भी हो, लेकिन ब्रेन इतना काम कर रहा है, गलत शब्द ही सही, लेकिन शब्दों के बीच में गलत भी शब्द आ रहा है, वो आपको भेज रहा है, सिग्नल भेजता जा रहा है, शब्द भेजता जा रहा है, वो कोड को डी कोड करके साउंड फॉर्म में भेज रहा है. कितना काम कर रहा है ब्रेन. उल्टे इमेज को खुद पे लेके सीधा करके बाहर हमें भेज रहा है. कितना काम कर रहा है हमारा ब्रेन. हाउ मच पावर आवर ब्रेन हैज. एवरीबडी इज स्टिल लर्निंग अबाउट द ब्रेन, इट्स फंक्शन, द पावर इट होल्ड्स, द कंट्रोल इट हैज on the human. So don't think the fumble, the glitch, the word I will say, the glitch, if computer machine can make, error machine can make, we have named it, but human words, how it rolls back and says, oh, ये तो गलत शब्द बाहर आ गया है. Then again you correct it. See the power of our brain. गलत शब्द आ गया, उसको तुरंत ठीक करते हैं, बताते हैं. The power of the brain, understand. See how much it has the power and how much constant pressure it has on it. कभी कभी मौन में रहना कितना जरूरी है. इसीलिए don't think about the failure in the paper you got. Thank you. That's why don't think. There is so much vast learning of your brain itself. If you doubt about your studies, it is not able to grasp, keep in the memory, and then same day even if you are studying and your memory is low, see the amount of hard work you do, but even the memory is not there while writing the paper is different thing. So there is some problem with the memory. Secondly, if you are not studying and attending the exam, then that is the second thing. So how much I can speak about? Third thing, I don't and cannot go on to the third. The amount we are ready for the preparation of our exam falls short when I am writing. Okay, go ahead. Writing. Not able to continue. Towards the paper. I'm not able to reach towards the paper. I'm trying. The amount of preparation we have done for the examination going towards the test paper we appear shortfalls may be the reason of a failure, and how much we are aware of it when we are not able to answer the questions even after reading 10 books. Even after reading, knowing about certain areas, in all the aspects we can think about, we are always shortfall for the test examination. So take it now for our real life test, which we are not writing actually, but through our behavior our karma develops, and that is how we have to prepare for exam. When we are writing certain words, it is also developing our karma. How much good we write, the good karma we own. So we may pass our exam, we may have the subjects we have written about. We may have. We don't know what the test holds, because there is always the side, the paper setter. Where he gets the questions from, how much amount of I'm prepared. There is always shortfall. Can I know the whole universe and go to and appear for the exam? But there are people who have set examples, even in this, that they can come with good ranks in just one attempt. That is very appreciable. I am just speaking about the failures, how we should not take the failure it brings to our heart, the sadness it brings to our hardship. Next time we may fall and think we won't work hard. It should not bring. We have to change the failure in the way people have also shown the number of attempts they have seen and learned even from others. I should also start with all my happiness towards to reach the goal of success. The past is the failure. The failure is the teacher. It is next to me, ticking in the time, clicking me to go ahead, or may pull towards its side. Deep down the hole of darkness, there I lie. The failure is laughing. The woman I hold. The people I hold. The failure has the power to think in it. Make you fumble from your path and not reach to the lightness. I hope I could have created a good image with the proverb I'm saying. The image I have behind me has so much of theater. If there would have been this word, would have made my proverb well. Theatrical. So I just want to say theater. Behind me, a stage. The failure and the success, the plus and the minus. Minus I don't want in the situation, but the minus is just next to me. The darkness it is creating. I just want to go to the plus, the add-ons, the number of lightness, the whiteness I can add in my life, so I can keep the color changing. The drop by drop white is added to the color. The color, primary color, becomes light and light and light, and it becomes a different color. And so much of plus of whiteness will bring more of lightness, and I want that brightness in my life, that plus in my life. I reach the success with the colors I hold at that time. What the color I have at that time. From the blackness I came, the whiteness I added, and on to the stage of success. Stage of success. How much emphasis has to be holded? That today I am here because of the hardship, the pain, minus from the left side, and the plus happiness from the right side, minus the darkness from the left side, and add the white color, whiteness, the light from your right side, and there you are onto the stage of success, holding the award. The award goes to, and there you say, I am thankful to the people, but my failure was my teacher. I had to stand up on my own, because there, on that stage which is behind, No words can reach, only my inner words, or the message sent rightfully. Good examples in a right way charges up. उठो और चलो. How much plus we can think we can hold? How much minus we can think we can hold? How much minus helped us to lower down so that we come out? How much low the minus should be? How much up it should be? Sometimes to push me out, not the minus is negative, not the minus is full of darkness. We see the way in the situation. We can only come out if we have a proper guidance. It can be me, myself, in some situation, but the examples always has shown the person who has fallen down needs a guidance from the other person. The other person should show in the way they can guide the person. Don't say the word help. It's not right to use the word help, because we are not doing what we are doing. We are just a mode so that we can break their inner block of stiffness, something which is holding them, the weight which is holding them. Don't use the word help at that time. You are a guide, an angel. Think at that time how the angel speaks. So you got a good opportunity to be the spirit to someone, the angel guide to someone who has fallen on the ground. You are chosen person. The angels are not outside. The angels are us. How we are growing, making ourselves so purified that we can be declared as angel guide. Someone who can take a birth next time. Be a guide where people will follow you. How the angel works, how they speak, how polite they are, how delicate they are. Not to show the power they are holding, but they show what their speech of power can change the other person. Think about a fairy coming out from a bright light, a magical wand in her hand. From that failure, from that darkness. Think about this is for all two person, one who is in the darkness and the other person who can be the angel guide in this way, with the love, the power of love. The love also have certain parameters because the words it hold. What are the right words the angels speak? At the time they are also musical. They have to deliver. Notice that they cannot have words. There is some constraint that they have to use music as a code to tell God, the people are listening me in this way, because there are so many words they are already reaching. I cannot go through and say I am the spirit, I am the angel. That is their law. The law is not the rule. It's beyond your heart that you don't want to show, but you just want to show the love. And how you can show the love? They have already shown that they sing. The way they use to be angel, and how we human fall for it. Why is it that any time in a day, if I hear that angel is around, I am happy? The way they use, they are a guide, but they are not commanding. They are showing a way that above us lies the God who doesn't even speak and interferes. But don't think that he cannot speak. If we can sing, he has the words with him. This is my proverb of today, the poetry I sang today. So with this I end this video, because I have still something pending to do in my work. I am in cooking. So end my blog, and I hope I don't fumble the force it has on me, and I will get more poetries. Yesterday's video which I have we were laughing later on, but the pressure it holds when I speak the way. So I try to be more poetic without disturbing my house environment. So there are certain ways to speak positive words also. सच कड़वा कब लगता है कि आप सबके बीच में बैठ के भी सच कह रहे हो, लेकिन वो आपको जज करेंगे कि इसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है लगते हैं. The pauses I have using, the way my speech was delivered. If I declare that this is my poetry, the way I am saying, the pressure I had that time, somewhere feeling the sadness, somewhere giving the warnings, somewhere there was a message for the people, for myself also. When I say understanding, understand is the word even for who is delivering the words and for others. But I am not able to say at that time when I am delivering the speech that when I say the other is not only that I am blaming the other there. The वन मतलब अंडरस्टैंड यानी मैं अपने आप को भी मुझे बताया जा रहा है कि आप भी समझो कि आप कितना समझ रहे हो। वर्ड्स आपके अंदर से आ रहे हैं, फ्लो आपका हो रहा है, तो ब्लेम आप पर भी आ रहा है, ये आप भी समझिए। और बाहर से तो ब्लेम आ ही रहा है, लेकिन अंदर से भी अपने आप को समझना है। हाउ मच I should blame myself if I'm using even good words. How much blame I should take, and how much blame others if I say others word, if I say the word others. So it holds a direction that you are blaming, that finger is on our side. It's not that. The word understand means God wants to say, you understand that how much you are in the boat, you are in your shoes, and the other also person has to understand the same statement. If not in the real time when you are speaking, again go back to a video and understand it. It is for you to understand it. Because you cannot say you are other. How can you remove yourself and move around and say other is means how the video shows now? The same person is acting as a mother, father, child. We have seen the videos, funny videos. But there is a message behind it. Understand. This was for me also when I started watching the videos. The same person performing different roles. A father, a mother, a child. That is actual. Can we be in our body and play a role of other people? We can only understand the situation. We cannot move around in them, step in their shoes. Why this word? What it holds? We can only discuss the matter and understand. Through the words we exchange, how much they are able to express themselves, how much explanation is required to show the situation. The top. Why the shoes? Because right from the leg till the head, right from the feet, the land he is on standing, the time and location he is in, the stress he has, the pressure he has for that situation, for certain thing, which we can say thing, becomes a story. For whom? For the other person. Can we be there live at that time, in his clothes, in his shoes, the clothes he is wearing from out to in, and understand the equivalent pressure he is going through? No, we cannot. Until and unless the other person delivers and explains the near about pressure he has, the other person cannot understand. Till he lies in the same situation. So there are many learnings daily. I myself I understand, and then what I am understanding I am stating in my video. My videos are getting lengthy, so with this I end this video. It's already 10 o'clock, proper 1 hour, okay, 56 minutes only. I have to end because the time is ticking and the pressure is increasing.